Today I will show you how to make it like this. At first, insert a new tab in your PC or mobile. Then go to search bar and type ChatGPT. Click ChatGPT. Then again click ChatGPT. After click ChatGPT, a new interface like this show to you. Insert your picture by clicking in plus icon. Then show a pop-up menu. Choose this add photo and files. Click here. Where your picture destination? Choose the folder and choose your picture. Then click open. Upload your photo. Write a prompt in this below. I have written a prompt earlier, then paste here. You also write a prompt like this and then click here. Wait a few minutes. The picture is processing and all processing is almost done. Your picture is here. You can download this picture. Click here, download, or share any platform. Click here, or copy. Click here. If this video useful for you, please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Stay with us. Thank you for watching.